Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing Vicks Speed Read Thermometer. It's a professionally accurate thermometer, so they say. Vicks says that, not me, so you can take my word or Vicks, it's up to you. It's gentle and fast and easy to use. As fast as 8 seconds. That's almost Jimmy John's fast. Pretty fast, alright? Oral and acetyl. Is it how you say it? Acetyl, that's rectal or underarm use. I'll skip the middle one and go with the first or the latter one. It reads in Fahrenheit, that's what F stands for, or Celsius, BPA free, because we don't need that, especially when we're sick. I don't think anyone really cares. Well, anyway, we're going to go ahead and go with this right here. It says lift, but I'd rather take an Uber. So I'm not going to lift that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and flip this on the back and see what it says. It says Speed Read Vicks Thermometer, Vicks Speed Read. I guess that's TM. That's someone's initials right there, or signature TM. Trademark. All right. So this has Vicks. It says the Vicks Speed Read digital thermometer with a large screen display. I don't think I'll be watching any movies on this large screen display. It says, and Fever Insight. Feature makes taking temperatures fast, easy, and comfortable. Yes, if you do the first or the third, not the second temperature reading, in my opinion. Features as fast as 8 seconds, professionally accurate. Memory feature recalls last reading. Has a better memory than me. BPA free, water resistant. I hope it's water resistant if you're using the second way of checking the temperature. Storage case, battery included, reads in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Look forward to that. Now it has 3 different color indicators right here. It has the green, okay, yellow for mild, and the red for well done. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. So I'm going to bring my special tool over here to open this device. I'm going to go ahead and take this in order to open it very gently as to not break the device. All right, so we're just going to open it with my cutting tool and then peel it back gently. Looks like this is a cup for drinking Robitussin afterwards. I think I could be wrong. And inside is some reading material, which will probably, if I'm having a fever, I'm probably going to need a lot of reading material when I go into the restroom. So I'll save this for later. Those are the instructions. Make sure that you read the instructions and follow the instructions and not some random YouTuber. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Now here is the thermometer right here. Here's the large screen display, they say, for watching the Super Bowl on. Fairly large. And I'm not going to take an Uber this time. I'm going to take a Lyft and pull this back right here. And pull it back. That is the large screen display. Look at this. You should really consider this, getting this for people for Christmas who want a large screen. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this right here. So I guess this is how you lock and unlock it. It's currently locked on the back. I'm going to press this button after I put this in the cup that I'm going to use for Robitussin. This is for storage. Nice little storage. Pull this out, press this button right here. Look, the red comes on. Now I'm going to take this and going to put it in my hand pit. And it's reading at 94.9 degrees, which means I have a low temperature right there. So here is the probe right here. You're supposed to put this. Oh, so it's beeping. I guess it's time to wake up. And here's the temperature. So you basically press this to turn it off. Press this to turn it on. Put it in the place that you're supposed to take the temperature at and keep it there until you get a reading, and it'll read out like that. Now, to change the battery, I'm going to take my cutting utensil, which also operates as a battery changer, and go ahead and open this up by spinning it this way. And spinning, maybe if I spin it a little bit more, it'll pop up. Maybe not. All right, tap on it a little bit on the back of the screen. And here is the battery, and the battery that goes in there has writing on there so you know which battery to replace it with. So you take this and you place the nub side down the flat side facing up, and then just put this back into place, and then take your cutting utensil, and like I'm doing right here, and